Let's see how all of these scientists connect back to NASA. First, we have missing Melissa Casillas and Anthony Chavez. Both worked for Los Alamos National Labs. Los Alamos Labs reports to the NNSA, National Nuclear Security Administration. Second, we have missing Stephen Garcia, who worked for KCNSC, Kansas City National Security Campus, which reports to the NNSA as well. NNSA report to NASA. Next, we have missing Monica Jacinto Reza, deceased Frank Mywald, and deceased Michael David Hicks. All worked for JPL, Jet Propulsion Laboratory. JLP is a federally funded research and development center. It is owned and sponsored by NASA and administered and managed by Caltech. Speaking of Caltech, this is where murdered victim Carl Grillmair worked, which reports to NASA. Murdered victim Nuno Loureiro at Brown University as MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology professor. MIT is a private research university that acts as a contractor or partner, conducting research, developing technology, like for the Apollo missions or test satellite, and receiving grants from NASA. Brown University has a long-standing and active partnership with NASA. Deceased Jason Thomas worked at Novartis. Novartis has collaborated with NASA and the International Space Station ISS, National Lab. Deceased Joshua LeBlanc was an American aerospace engineer. He worked on nuclear propulsion at NASA's Marshall Space Flight Center. William Neal McCasland worked for the Air Force Research Laboratory. He oversaw the project that missing Monica Reza Jacinto was working on for NASA. William also has very high clearance. David Wilcock, deceased by suicide, was a prominent figure in the disclosure movement. His interest in NASA was centered on claiming they were hiding evidence of UFO crash sites. Amy Eskridge co-owned her own research center, who was working on advanced propulsion, zero-point energy, and anti-gravity technologies, reportedly died by suicide. The co-owner was her father, who was retired from NASA. Now if you put this all on one paper, everything leads to NASA. Is it all coincidence? Maybe, but 13 people connected to NASA does really make you wonder.